In the essentials of marriage, second concept is the capacity to contract a marriage. In this concept, the another important concept means subtopic is the guardianship in a marriage. It is known as Jabr. Write a short note on Jabr. Jabr means guardianship in marriage. A Muslim child of either sex who has attained the age of puberty is incompetent to contract a marriage. Means the child who has not attained the age of puberty is incompetent to contract a marriage. So in this case, it is necessary to have a guardian. A marriage contracted by a minor is nullity, means it is considered as invalid. The order of guardianship for the purpose of a marriage is as, means who can be the guardian of that child? Father, paternal, grandfather. Paternal means from father's side. And how? Howsoever. Next is the brother and other paternal relatives in the same order as for inheritance. Then the mother, other maternal relations within the prohibited degrees. And failing all these, and a government. Paternal means from the father's side, maternal means from mother's side. Means to contract a marriage, it is necessary that the child must attain the puberty, and if that child has not attained the age of puberty, then it's necessary to have the guardian. In Shia law, the only guardians recognized by the Shia law or the father are the father and the paternal grandfather. Howsoever. A marriage brought about by a person other than a father or a grandfather is wholly ineffective unless it is ratified approval by the minor on attaining majority. Means if any marriage is contracted of a minor and it is not by the person who are not a guardian, it is by the another person, then after attaining the age of majority, the person, means that child, if wants to continue that marriage, then he can ratify. Means he can give the approval to that marriage. Next concept is the apostasy. Apostasy means the abandonment or the renunciation of a religious or a political belief or a principle. Apostasy means the abandonment or the act of refusing to follow a certain religion. Means no longer the person believes in that certain religion and he has renounced. Means he is not following that religion and he don't believes in it. It is known as apostasy.